Hello, my little wonders. How are you? I hope so. You all are great and practicing drawing at home. Last week, you gave strong reply on the videos. So, today, we are going to learn new drawing. So, let's get started.
We had turned numbers into pictures and today we will turn vegetables into Ganesha. So ready to do? But first you promise me you will eat all the vegetables and don't bother your parents to having food. Because vegetables provides us so many nutritions and making our immunity strong to fight with the corona. So first say promise and see the magic. Promise. A drawing book and make like this one box and write the date in the left corner, 22nd June 2020. So our today's topic is vegetable Ganesha. So first we use bottle gourd vegetable to draw Ganesha's face. Then for Taj we are using, tell me what is this? It's the brinjal. Then for Ganesha's body we are using pumpkins. I am using marker here because pencil is not visible in the video. So but you will use only pencil to draw. Understand? So pumpkin is ready. Now for the Ganesha's ear we are using some spinach leaves. Then afterwards we are making Ganesha's legs with a carrot. Then another one carrot. Then afterwards we are using coconut for Ganesha's hand. And another hand there is a half coconut. And for modak we use onion. Then afterwards for Ganesha's eyes we are using green peas. So Ganesha's eyes also ready. And for who is with the Ganesha always? It's one rat. For that rat we are using which vegetable it is? It's the beetroot. And methi leaves for ears. And for Ganesha's teeth we are using radish. One half radish here because Ganesha's one teeth is free. So look at our Ganesha is ready. So now we will color this. First we will use light green color for bottle tea. And dark green for shading. And dark green for peas also. Then dark green for leaves, spinach leaves. Then purple color for brinjal. Again green color for crown because brinjal has green crown. Radish is white, but we are giving some shading with the light blue. Then for pumpkin we are using yellow and orange. Always color inside the picture only. Don't spread the color outside the lines. Our pumpkin also ready, but some dark part. Then afterwards carrots. For carrots we are using red and orange. First fill all over orange color and then shade with the use light red for that, shade with the red color. And here green color is there. Afterwards for coconut we are using brown color. Here also brown. Then for onion we are using pink and dark red. And for beetroot also pink and dark red. And for methi leaves dark green and light green. And afterwards we will draw Musha eyes and mustache. So now Ganesha's coloring is ready, but we are using light green for background. Always color the background, because of background picture looks completed. So use opposite color for background. those colors you are using in the main picture. It's highlight because of background. So you understand how to draw Ganesha with the vegetables, and you promise also me to you will eat all the vegetables. Now I am using some purple for shading. Now look at this, our Ganesha is ready. And after your coloring, use marker or black crayon for border. Understand? So you will also try to draw like this vegetable Ganesha, and keep practicing up to next week. Till then, be safe and be creative. Bye.